it looks like adding that wrapper div caused the margin between the paragraphs to begin to display. So let's adjust that while we're here. I'm going to do a quick jump to our mockup and do a quick measurement of the space between the text here. Again, I'm going to measure from the bottom of a character that has a tail to the top of the next text. So it looks like it's about 12, 13 pixels. So that's what we want for space here. We go to the browser and inspect one of these paragraphs, and we look at the selectors that we have to work with. There's not one that just describes all of the paragraphs in this div. So let's add a class for that. I'm going to jump back to our editor, and let's look at our CSS in line with our HTML. I'm going to do a split vertically here, and we'll go to the site footer partial. And so now we have index on this side and site footer, all of our classes on this side. So what we're looking for is a selector that will apply to these paragraphs here. So we want it to add it under site footer contact info. Now at this point, we don't have a class that addresses that directly, but we do have a class that addressed paragraphs before it had a wrapper div. So what we need to do now is take this selector and nest it inside of a site footer contact info class. So let's just add that right here. We'll use the ampersand to prepend site footer, and then I'll add contact info, and we'll do a indentation to pull the selector here in. And let's save this and refresh in the browser. And there we go. We get our styles applied to that paragraph now.